Hello and welcome back to Hello Daily English. Hi everyone. We are so happy to see you here today.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are your partners in this language journey. On this channel, we help you speak English every day, step by step. We use simple English, slow speaking, and real-life examples to help you feel confident.
Before we start, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow our community and it helps other learners find our lessons too. Thank you so much for your support.
Today, we are going to talk about 3 small words that cause big problems for English learners. These words are the DNA of English questions and negatives.
Today, we are mastering do, does, and did.
Yes, students often ask, when do I say do you? When do I say does she? And when do I say did? It can be confusing.
But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will never make a mistake with these words again. We are going to break it down into simple rules, practice listening, and do some fun role plays.
We will cover the present tense, the past tense, how to make questions, and how to say no. Are you ready to become a grammar master?
Let's begin. So, Jack, let's start with the absolute basics. We have 2 main words for the present tense, do and does.
The biggest secret is knowing who you are talking about. It all depends on the subject.
Let's look at the do group. We use do with 4 pronouns. Can you list them, Jack?
Yes, we use do with I, you, we, and they.
So we say, I do, you do, we do, they do.
Now, let's look at the does group. This is the special group. We use does with the third person singular.
That sounds complicated. Let's make it simple. We use does with he, she, and it.
So we say he does, she does, it does.
Think of it this way. He, she, and it are special. They like the letter S. Does ends with an S.
That is a great trick. So Emma, let's practice. If I say my mother, which word do I use?
My mother is she, so we use does.
Correct. What about my friends?
My friends is they, so we use do.
What about the dog?
The dog is it, so we use does.
Perfect. Now that we know the groups, let's talk about questions. This is where do and does are most important. We call them helper verbs.
Yes, in English, we don't just say, you like pizza? With a question mark voice. That is informal. The correct way is to use a helper.
The formula is helper plus subject plus main verb.
Let's try with you. The helper for you is do, so do you like pizza?
Let's try with she. The helper for she is does, so does she like pizza?
Wait, Jack, I noticed something very important there. You said, does she like, not does she likes.
You caught me. This is the golden rule of English grammar. Listen carefully, everyone.
When you use does, the main verb does not have an S.
Think of it like this. The word does already has the S. It stole the S from the main verb. You don't need 2 S's.
So we say, she likes pizza, but does she like pizza? The S moved to does.
Let's practice this common mistake. Wrong, does he works here? Right, does he work here?
Wrong, does it rains a lot? Right, does it rain a lot?
Excellent. Now let's move to negatives. How do we say no?
We add not. Do not becomes don't. Does not becomes doesn't.
The rules are the same. I, you, we, they use don't. He, she, it use doesn't.
I don't know. We don't want to go. They don't live here.
And for the special group, he doesn't know, she doesn't want to go, it doesn't work.
And again, remember the golden rule. After doesn't, the verb is normal, no S.
Wrong, she doesn't likes coffee. Right, she doesn't like coffee.
Wow, we are learning so much already. Now, Jack, let's travel in time. Let's go to the past.
Ah, the past tense. This is actually easier. In the past, we only have one word.
Really? Just one?
Yes, the past tense of do and does is did.
And who uses did?
Everyone. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. They all use did.
That is fantastic news. No groups to remember.
So for questions in the past, we use did. Did you go to work yesterday? Did she call you? Did they finish the project?
But Jack, I hear another common mistake here. Students often say, did you went?
Ah, that hurts my ears. That is the second golden rule.
When you use did, the main verb stays in the base form. It does not go to the past tense.
Why? Because did is already in the past. It already did the job of showing the time. The main verb can relax.
So, wrong. Did you saw the movie? Right. Did you see the movie?
Wrong. Did she ate breakfast?
Right.
Did she eat breakfast?
This is so important. Did plus base verb. Memorize that formula.
And for negatives in the past?
We use did not or didn't. And again, the verb stays in the base form.
I didn't go to the party, not I didn't went. She didn't like the food, not she didn't liked.
Okay, we have the rules. Now let's talk about a very confusing thing. Sometimes do is a helper verb, but sometimes do is the main action.
Yes, do is an action verb. It means to perform an activity. I do yoga. She does her homework. We do the dishes.
So, can we use do twice in one sentence?
Yes, we can. One is the helper and one is the action. Look at this question. Do you do yoga?
The first do creates the question. The second do is the action of yoga.
Or for she, does she do her homework?
Or in the past, did you do the dishes?
It looks funny, but it is 100% correct grammar.
Now, let's talk about emphasis. Sometimes we use do in a positive sentence just to be strong.
Normally, we say, I like ice cream. Simple. But if someone says, you don't like ice cream, I can argue and say, I do like ice cream.
We use this to correct someone or to show strong emotion. She doesn't believe me, but I did call her.
You look nice today. I do feel great.
Okay, that is a lot of theory. Now let's move to our real-life role plays. We are going to act out 3 scenes. Listen for do, does, don't, doesn't, and did.
I'm ready. Let's start with scene 1, getting to know you. Imagine we are meeting for coffee.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I just moved to the city.
Nice to meet you. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I do. I live just down the street. Do you work around here?
No, I don't work here. I work in the center, but my sister works here.
Oh, really? What does she do?
She's a barista. Does she know you? Maybe you saw her.
I don't think so. I didn't go to many cafes yet.
Well, you should. She makes great coffee.
Did you hear it? Do you live? Does she know? I didn't go?
Now, scene 2, the job interview. This is a formal situation.
Welcome. Please sit down. Did you bring your resume?
Yes, I did. Here it is.
Thank you. So, do you have experience in marketing?
Yes, I do. I worked at a big agency for 3 years.
Excellent. And does your previous boss know you are applying here?
No, she doesn't. I didn't tell her yet.
Okay. And do you speak any other languages?
I don't speak Spanish, but I do speak French fluently.
Notice the emphasis. I do speak French.
And the past question, did you bring?
Now, scene 3, gossiping friends. This is informal and fast.
Hey, did you see Sarah yesterday?
No, I didn't. Why? What happened?
She didn't come to the party. Everyone was asking about her.
Really? That's strange. Does she have a reason?
She says she didn't feel well, but I don't believe her.
Why don't you believe her?
Because she posted photos on Instagram. She did go out, just not with us.
Wow. She doesn't sound like a good friend.
Lots of negatives there. Didn't come, didn't feel, don't believe.
Now let's move to our stop and practice section. I am going to say a positive sentence. I want you to change it into a question.
Example. If Jack says, "You like coffee," you say, "Do you like coffee?" Ready?
Sentence 1. They play soccer.
Do they play soccer?
Sentence 2. She lives in London.
Does she live in London? Remember, no S on live.
Sentence 3. You went to school.
Did you go to school? Remember, went becomes go.
Sentence 4. He watches TV.
Does he watch TV?
Sentence 5. It rained yesterday.
Did it rain yesterday?
Great job. Now let's do the opposite. I give you a sentence, you make it negative.
Example. I like tea becomes I don't like tea.
Sentence 1. We have a car.
We don't have a car.
Sentence 2. He plays the guitar.
He doesn't play the guitar. No S on play.
Sentence 3. I saw the movie.
I didn't see the movie. Saw becomes see.
Sentence 4. She bought a dress.
She didn't buy a dress.
Sentence 5. It snows here.
It doesn't snow here.
Fantastic work. These drills really help your brain switch between the forms quickly.
Now, Jack, let's talk about pronunciation, because when native speakers speak fast, these words change a little bit.
That is true. In fast English, do you often sounds like dia or j.
For example, do you want to go sounds like do you wanna go.
And did you often sounds like did ya.
Did you see it sounds like did you see it?
And does he sometimes sounds like does he.
Does he know sounds like does he know?
You don't have to speak like this, but you need to understand it when you hear it in movies or on the street.
Now let's review some fixed phrases using do. These are collocations you just need to memorize.
Do the dishes. This means wash the plates. I hate doing the dishes.
Do the laundry. This means wash clothes. I do the laundry on Sundays.
Do your best. This means try hard. Just do your best on the exam.
Do me a favor. This means help me. Can you do me a favor?
Do business. This means work with someone. We like doing business with you.
Do good or do bad. He wants to do good in the world.
Do nothing. I want to sit on the sofa and do nothing all day.
And a very common question, what do you do?
Be careful with this one. What do you do means what is your job? It does not mean what are you doing right now.
So if someone asks, what do? You say, I am a teacher or I am a doctor. You do not say, I am standing here.
Now let's do a final quiz to check your understanding. I will ask a tricky question. You choose the right answer.
Question 1. Blank your friend like pizza. A, do. B, does.
The answer is B, does, because your friend is a he or she.
Question 2. Blank you go last night. A, did. B, do.
The answer is A, did, because last night is the past.
Question 3. She, blank, live here anymore. A, don't. B, doesn't.
The answer is B, doesn't, because she needs doesn't.
Question 4. Did he, blank, his homework? A, finish. B, finished.
The answer is A, finish, because with did, we use the base form.
Question 5. Blank you do. A, do. B, does.
The answer is A, do. What do you do?
If you got those right, congratulations! You have mastered the DNA of English grammar.
We have covered so much today. We learned the groups I, you, we, they use do, and he, she, it use does.
We learned that in the past, everyone uses did.
We learned the golden rules. Number 1, with does or doesn't, the verb has no S. Number 2, with did or didn't, the verb is in the base form.
We learned about pronunciation like didja and daya.
And we learned useful phrases like do a favor and do your best.
My advice to you is this: don't overthink it. Practice makes perfect. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Ask questions to your pets.
Does the cat want food? Did the dog sleep well? It sounds silly, but it helps your brain get used to the patterns.
Now, we have a question for you. We want to hear from you in the comments.
Our question of the day uses our new grammar.
Question 1. What do you do on Sundays? Use I do or I don't in your answer.
Question 2. Did you do anything fun yesterday? Use I did or I didn't in your answer.
For example, on Sundays, I don't work. I do the gardening.
Or, yesterday I didn't go out. I watched a movie.
Please write your answers in the comments below. We read every single one. We love correcting your grammar and helping you improve.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. You are doing something amazing for your future.
Be proud of your progress. Keep practicing do, does, and did, and soon you won't even have to think about it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time for another Hello Daily English lesson.
Bye for now.
See you soon. Take care.